Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how you can set up your MT4 chart and how it works. So first of all you need to create a account at a broker. The best broker I know is FP Markets because of the low spreads, and I'm using my Forex funds. So those both are MT4 but they're different brokers, that's why they're looking not the same. But when you have created it, you're gonna get an email on your inbox or at the page where you can download the MT4. So when you have done that and logged into the page, MT4, it's gonna look something like this. And the first thing you want to do is close everything down that's come up here. Just press it down and press here on the left side under Market Watch. You want to press right click and show all. It says here in Swedish visa allt, but it's show all in English, I guess. Show all, and you will get every pair and everything you can trade on that broker on here. For example, I'm just trading Euro USD and the GBP JPI, and here we have the Euro USD already up, so we're gonna open up the GBP JPI. You press the diagram window and it will pop up. And as you see here at the bottom, you can just jump in on the chart you're gonna trade. And now, cause we have everything up here, our two charts, then we don't want this anymore. So right click and show less. Show less, and it looks more clean because now we only have our pairs we're trading. We don't want to look at other. Yes, and it's the same thing as trading view. This you have the 4-hour daily. This is time frames, and yes, and we don't want those lines, so just right click here, the root net it says here, just over volume, take them away. They're not looking good, just messy. And you can zoom in on the price as we're doing right now. We're zooming in, change time frame for example, and we're not trading with those candle types, we're using the normal ones here. So just press on this one. You can have the lines or you can have this if you want them, but we're using those. And yes, we're also using the MT4 just for trading. We're not using it for trade analysis. We're not using it to watch. I don't watch MT4, I'm just taking trades on it. Now we take a trade, as you see up here. You can press F9 also. As you see here, it's the weekend now, and you can see it's extremely high spreads. If the broker is raw spreads on when the market's closing or at weekends, the market's not open of course, but it's gonna be huge spreads. So don't trade at those times. And as you can see here, this is your volume. For example, you can use 10, you can use 0.23, it depends on your balance, and we're gonna take that in one sec. But I'm not using this to trade. I'm using the this little arrow here, and you can just write whatever lot size. This is lot size. Lot size is the same as volume. Lot size 20, lot size 10, and how you know which lot size you want to have. Then you need to know how much you can risk per trade, how much money is in your bank account or your broker's account, and that's where we are using the position calculator. Press up the position calculator, and you can see here we're, for example, if we want to use 1% of our account, that's 123 USD. And you can, and for example, if I drag this is 10 pips, 10, close to 10. You put it here, 10 pips. This is the this is where price is now, but because it's so high spreads, we're gonna get buys in here. So it's 10 pips from this blue line, because this is your entry line. That's how spreads works. You're not buying in on the price line, you're always buying in a little bit higher than the price. But if you have tight spreads, that's no problem. And we have, for example, if you want to use 0.5% of your account, then on 10 pips or 9.8 pips, you're gonna use position size 0.62. 0.62. And this is how you can calculate and how you can manage your account a lot better because if you're not doing this, you're just blind trading and don't know how much money you're getting in and how much money you're giving. So this is a must when you're trading, and you just put this in position size calculator in the you download it on the internet and just put it in where is it? Open data map. You just put it in here, MQL4 indicators, and you put it in. You put a map in, extract a map when you download it, and just put it in here, and you will have it. And you don't have to close the page. You can just right click here and update it. It will be working. And that's how we're using the MetaTrader 4. We're not using it for trading. I mean, we're using it for trading, and we're not using it for trade analysis. The trade analysis are we using at TradingView. So it's a good thing to have a laptop beside you or a second monitor, so you always can be ready. And that was it for the video. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next one.